In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine shapes in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to merge basic shapes into a single, clean vector using the union option, perfect for quick icons and simple illustrations like a little house. First, open the Figma website in your browser or launch the desktop app and then open your design file. Once the canvas is loaded, make sure you can clearly see the area you're working on. If needed, zoom in a bit so the shapes are easy to select and align. Now make sure your two shapes are ready. For this example, think of a rectangle and a triangle that together make a simple house. The rectangle acts as the body and the triangle becomes the roof. Place them so the triangle sits neatly on top of the rectangle with a slight overlap. This overlap is important because union merges the overlapping regions into one continuous shape. If the edges look misaligned, nudge each shape with your arrow keys until the roof sits exactly where you want it. Next, highlight both shapes. You can drag a selection box around them or click the first shape and then hold Shift while clicking the second. You'll know they're both selected if you see selection outlines on each. With both shapes selected, look to the right-hand panel in Figma. In the section where boolean operations are shown, you'll see options like Union. Click Union. Instantly, the rectangle and triangle become one combined vector. This is non-destructive, which means you can still adjust the original shapes if needed by expanding the combined layer in the Layers panel and tweaking their positions. The result is a single, tidy shape that behaves like one object on your canvas, making it easier to move, scale, and style consistently. Now feel free to add color. With the combined shape selected, look for the fill controls in the right panel. Choose a solid color for the body of your house, adjust the opacity if you want a softer look, and decide whether you need a stroke around the shape. If you do add a stroke, pick a clean width so edges stay crisp at different sizes. Keep your color choices simple for icons and small graphics. High contrast helps your shape remain legible. That's it. You opened your design, made sure your two shapes were ready, selected them, used Union in the right panel to combine them, and added color to finish the look. Practice this with other simple forms and you'll build clean, reusable assets in no time.